Welcome to ISO Para, a global learning platform for mechanical design. Today we are going to learn about the Certified Online BIW CAD Test 2 in CATIA, or UGNX, total 15 CAD tests. Let's begin. First, we see the demands of this course in the market. If we talk about the automotive sector, the automotive industry encompasses a diverse array of companies and organizations engaged in the intricate processes of designing, developing, manufacturing, marketing, and ultimately bringing motor vehicles to market. Recognized as one of the world's largest industries in terms of revenue, its multifaceted nature underscores its significant role in shaping the global economic landscape. Now, if we talk about the jobs in the market, the field of design within the market is hailed as the premier choice, boosting a multitude of job opportunities on a global scale. The automotive industry's remarkable versatility not only paves the way for personal exploration but also presents a dynamic platform for professional advancement. Working within an automotive company unveils a plethora of possibilities, allowing individuals to engage in diverse and fulfilling roles that contribute to the vibrancy and innovation of this dynamic industry. And finally, if we consider future growth, then a transformative shift is currently underway as the automotive industry undergoes a profound makeover. The future landscape of automotive design is poised to be thoroughly digitalized. Embracing a software-driven model, we gain the ability to consistently roll out ongoing software updates over time, enhancing and optimizing existing functionalities. This evolution not only represents a departure from traditional paradigms but also heralds a new era of dynamic adaptability in automotive innovation. Now, we see about the BIW CAD Test 2 in CATIA, or UGNX, at ISO Para. Let's begin. The Automotive BIW Design CAD Test Course 2 at ISO Para offers comprehensive and specialized training for CAD enthusiasts looking to excel in the field of automotive design. Designed by industry experts, the course is meticulously curated to provide participants with hands-on experience in tackling real-world design challenges using CATIA, or UGNX software. With a focus on automotive BIW components, the course comprises 15 CAD tests that allow students to sharpen their skills and gain practical insights into creating innovative and efficient designs. At ISO Para, we believe in delivering top-notch education, and our Automotive BIW CAD Test Course 2 is no exception. Each CAD test is thoughtfully crafted to encompass various aspects of automotive BIW design, including material selection, structural integrity, and manufacturing considerations. By immersing themselves in these practical exercises, participants can enhance their problem-solving abilities, develop a keen eye for detail, and master the intricacies of CATIA, or UGNX software applications in the automotive industry. With the guidance of our experienced instructors and a strong emphasis on practical learning, students can confidently step into the world of automotive design and carve a successful career path in this dynamic field. Now, we see what this course includes. This course includes 15 hours on-demand video, downloadable all CAD data, one-to-one live support, access on laptop and mobile, certificate of completion, lifetime access, and many more. Now, we see the number of stages of what you will learn in this course. First is concept bracket creation. Showcase your creativity and technical prowess by executing the creation of concept brackets. Demonstrate a nuanced understanding of design principles and innovation in this dynamic CAD environment. Second is modification in skin surface. Highlight your precision and adaptability by making modifications in the skin surface based on the master section. Display the ability to refine and enhance designs, ensuring they align seamlessly with predefined criteria. Third is dump to para or remastering. Navigate the complexities of CAD by mastering the techniques of dumping to parametric conversion or engaging in remastering. Showcase adaptability and proficiency in evolving design methodologies. Fourth is hemming creation. Demonstrate your expertise in hemming creation, ensuring precision and adherence to input data specifications. Showcase your ability to craft designs that meet both aesthetic and functional requirements. And the last is assembly creation between two parts. Showcase your assembly skills by seamlessly integrating two parts based on master section guidelines. Highlight your proficiency in creating a cohesive and well-integrated product, emphasizing precision and alignment. Now, we see why to choose this course. Its importance and benefits. Let's start. First is enhanced automotive design skills. Learning and practicing the Automotive BIW CAD test course to helps you develop advanced skills in designing automotive BIW components, improving your overall design capabilities. Second is industry-relevant expertise. The course is designed by industry experts, ensuring that you gain knowledge and expertise that aligns with the latest trends and practices in the automotive design field. Third is hands-on CAD experience. Through practical CAD tests, you gain hands-on experience, allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world automotive design challenges. Fourth is improved problem-solving abilities. Tackling complex CAD tests hones your problem-solving skills, teaching you how to overcome design obstacles efficiently. Fifth is material selection proficiency. You'll learn to select the most suitable materials for automotive BIW components, considering factors like durability, cost, and environmental impact. Next is optimized manufacturing techniques. By practicing the course, you'll understand how to design components with manufacturability in mind, leading to cost-effective and efficient production. Next is career advancement. Mastering automotive BIW CAD opens doors to diverse job opportunities, propelling your career in the automotive design industry. Next is enhanced collaboration. As you work on CAD tests, you'll improve your collaboration skills by engaging with instructors and fellow learners, fostering a professional network. Next is valuable industry insights. Industry experts' guidance provides valuable insights into best practices, market demands, and cutting-edge technologies in automotive design. And the last is placement opportunities. Completing the course with proficiency may lead to placement assistance, helping you secure promising roles in renowned automotive companies and design firms. Now, we see what the prerequisites required for this course are. Let's start. First is computer proficiency. Basic computer skills, using a keyboard and mouse, and managing files, are essential for an online learning environment. Second is technical drawing knowledge. Understanding technical drawings, engineering principles, and design concepts will aid in comprehending automotive BIW product design methodologies. Third is curiosity and eagerness to learn. A curious mindset and eagerness to explore new concepts will enhance your learning experience and motivation throughout the course. Fourth is access to CATIA or UGNX software. Ensure you have access to CATIA or UGNX software or an environment where you can practice the course exercises and implement the design methodologies. Not having access, contact our technical team. Next is computing power and specific hardware. A computer or laptop is required before starting to learn an online CATIA or UGNX course. Operating system is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, and 10. A minimum of 4 GB RAM is necessary to ensure smooth performance. Next is internet connectivity. A stable and reliable internet connection is required to access the online CATIA or UGNX course materials, tutorials, and interactive sessions. Next is CATIA or UGNX basics. A basic understanding of CATIA or UGNX user interface, sketching, and part design tools will provide a solid foundation for the course. And the last is time management. Online courses require self-discipline and effective time management to keep up with lectures, assignments, and interactive sessions. Now, we see placement assistance. ISO Para's placement assistance works in 4 steps. First is attain mastery through comprehensive learning. Acquire expertise with our comprehensive course, gaining valuable insights and skills for a transformative learning experience. Second is crack CAT challenges. Ace the CAT test, clearing the first round hurdle with precision and expertise, propelling you towards success in your journey. Third is conquer technical interviews. Excel in the technical interview to successfully navigate the final round, opening doors to career advancement and securing your desired position. And fourth is secure 100% placement in OEM and Tier 1 industries. Attain career pinnacle by securing 100% placements in top-tier OEM and esteemed Tier 1 industries, ensuring professional success and growth opportunities. Now, the final is placement support. ISO Para provide placement support to all learners through following ways. First is resume building. Our team assists you in crafting a compelling resume tailored to the skills you acquire and aligned with industry requirements. Second is job seeker profile. We aid in building an appealing job seeker profile on popular job portals and LinkedIn, capturing the attention of HR professionals. Third is mock-up interviews. To refine your interview skills, we conduct mock-up interviews, providing valuable feedback for skill enhancement. And the last is CAT test check. Review your CAT test, embrace feedback, and enhance your skills. Turn insights into growth for continuous self-improvement. Hence, this is all about the Certified Online BIW CAT test to INCATIA, or UGNX, total 15 CAT tests. Now, if you are seeking counseling from an industry expert, then feel free to contact us. Thank you.